Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Young Turks, Indian television's longest-running show focusing on young entrepreneurs. I'm Shireen Bhan. Our first guest on the show is a young entrepreneur, but the business he runs is old. In fact, it's 5 decades old. Nilons today is the largest producer of pickles in India. 32-year-old Deepak Sanghvi joined Nilons in 2001, and since then he's professionalized the business and also made it the largest manufacturer of roasted vermicelli and tutti frutti. With its factory in Jalgaon in Maharashtra, Nilons has an annual production of 30,000 metric tons of pickle. With a CAGR of 59% over the last 9 years, Deepak claims they're growing 9 times that of the category. Having already grossed revenues of 240 crores, Deepak now wants to touch the 1,000 crore rupee mark in the next 5 years. But let's find out how he intends doing that.
Deepak Sanghvi took over the family pickle business after the untimely demise of his father, when he was just 24, and since then has quite literally churned a new growth story for his 5-decade-old business. Today, Nilons is not just the largest producer of pickles in India, but also the largest manufacturer of roasted vermicelli and tutti frutti. Nilons spiced up its product portfolio in 2004 to include instant mixes, ginger garlic paste and spices. And today pickles contribute only 45% as compared to 90% earlier. With a strong distributor network across India, Deepak's focus has been at aligning a strong back-end with the front-end.
Company deal in 2 markets. One is the Indian market and one is the overseas market. Indian market is the 120 crore population who lives, loves and likes the Indian ethnic food product. We are there to service them, catering them through modern trade, to mom and pop store, through institution, multiple channel of distribution. And the second market is the international market. International market, we serve on 2 platforms. One is on the institution where we supply B2B product like candied fruits. And second is the people who like the Indian ethnic food product. May it be the Indian people there or the mainstream market who has started liking the Indian curries, the Indian spices, the Indian taste and aroma. So we are there to serve them. So these would be our key markets.
With a compounded annual growth rate of 59%, Nilons has been growing at 9 times the sector's average over the last 9 years. Nilons has 4 factories in Jalgaon near Pune and 2 in Assam with an annual production of 30,000 metric tons of pickles. Retailing across 500,000 outlets in India, this market leader has already grossed revenues of 240 crore rupees, and technology has played a large part in growing the business.
We are using multiple technologies for different food products. So we have, say, an Italian plant for our candied fruit products or an Italian plant for our pasta, but we have some American machines and some Belgian machines for our pickles. So we use multiple machines or multiple technologies because we process in multiple verticals. The concept is as much automation we can do in the production, we try and do, because the automation brings uniformity in the product. More the human intervention, the quality will suffer because of the human intervention. More mechanization will give that same consistent quality which our consumer desires for. And in terms of volume, because of the multiple vertical we are handling, we are doing processing more than 1 lakh tons of various fruits and vegetables, pulses and grains. Pickle being the largest, where we are doing more than 25,000 tons of pickle per annum. Candied fruit, we are doing around 10,000 tons per annum. Similarly, in other lines, whatever product we are in, we believe that we need to reach a particular volume, or we need to be in the top 3 players in that particular category in the country.
While volumes have increased, Deepak has not lost sight of quality. Having installed state-of-the-art microbial labs to ensure the highest quality standards are met. And with the business growing rapidly, Deepak admits that finding the right talent is still a challenge.
The biggest challenges again today would be getting very good high-class manpower at the senior management level who have a very impeccable record of execution and planning and thinking. That would be one of the challenge that the company would be going through. The other challenge would be with this multiple product range that we have, and so unique and so tasty that once a consumer buys it, he falls in love with the product. How do we take the entire product range to as many number of outlets across the country. If we are covering around 500,000 outlets, how do we take it to 2 million outlets? The third challenge would be on the procurement side, because food is so unique in taste. Every mango that you get from every different plant has a unique taste, and our consumer wants the same taste of the end product. So how do you manage getting the same recipes year after year, bottle after bottle, giving the consumer the same product, the same consistency?
Having invested 100 crore rupees in the last 18 months, Deepak is now hoping to build Nilons as a one-point shop for wholesalers.
The dream that we have in Nilons is we want to build a food conglomerate by creating factories in the 200 acres of land that we have in Uttarakhand, where we want to build factories of multiple Indian ethnic food products, vegetarian because we deal only in vegetarian products, so that it is a one-point stop or shop for the consumer, for our buyers, where we see the trade changing in India from a mom and pop slowly to the modern trade, where we can ship directly a truck from the factory to the store, where we have so much range in the factory available that we do not have to have the intermediaries through whom we have to transfer, and we transfer the product directly from the factory to the modern store, which brings the efficiency, which brings the consumer the freshest product because it reaches quickly to the consumer. In terms of turnover, what we are doing right now is roughly 240. In next 3 years, we would be targeting 500 crore, and in next 6 years, we will be targeting 1,000 crore.
Well, Deepak, here's wishing you and Nilons the very best of luck. We'll check back with you when you achieve that 1,000 crore rupee target. On that note, it's time for us to take a break, but when we return, a story that will inspire you and put a spring in your step.